Good morning, YouTube. This is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity, and today I have a video about a motovlog. If that isn't obvious already to most of you. But those of you who have never watched one of my videos, a motovlog is when I'm vlogging, but on my moto, which happens to be the Honda Ruckus today. But okay, so if you watched the last video, I changed the belt out to the one by Poked by Toast. He changed his belt apparently from a different one, probably went to a Gates belt, I believe. I don't know. I like the stock belt. I'm convinced the stock belt is the best. Well, I put the stock belt on and I went towards work and I forgot my vape, so I had to turn back around. Now I'm driving back again towards work, and the belt's reacting weird on the bike. Okay, I know it hasn't been broken in. It takes like 100 miles according to Texas Get slash Buzzy, that it takes about 100 miles for a belt to break in, but it's acting different. I knew a belt made a difference, right? I knew a belt, you know, that's a integral part of a CVT on a Honda Ruckus. So it's not surprising to me that it makes a difference in, you know, RPM, speed, acceleration, stuff like that. So you're wondering, why am I making a video I'm talking about? Well, it's way different than what I was doing before as far as speed. And I'm about to show you. I know you're probably wondering, is it better? Is it worse? Is he crazy? Is he happy? Okay, so my acceleration seems a little slower, but once I pass 8,200, it starts to accelerate. See, I'm at 38, but now it's 8,200 there. So now it's going to start picking up quicker. Okay, so if you look at my speedometer, it says I'm going what, 45 at 9,000? It didn't do that last time. Now, depending on the wind in front of me, my RPM was different. See, look, I'm going 44 at 89. It wasn't doing that before. 44 was already like 95. You know? You know, and I was bouncing 74 miles per hour with no one in front of me, with a tiny headwind. So look, 44, 88, it's different. Like, I can even hear it when I'm riding. The tone is not as revved up as it was before. So, and I wasn't even full throttle. Look, 48. Woo, woo. You know, I feel like I'm going pretty fast. Yeah, red light, or brakes at least. But yeah. So, if you're thinking your belt is old, you know, why not change it? We're talking about, it's maintenance week here on Small Engine Velocity. Change the freaking belt if you think it's old, or if you know it's old. If you got several thousand. See, the belt I got was from Buzzy, and I don't know if it was any good or not. He said it was the best one of the one he had, so he gave it to me. The nice guy he is, which I miss him. He used to ride around all the time, and now all he does is work. He needs to get back on his Ruckus, drive 4 trillion miles to this area. Actually, you know what? Maybe I should drive to his area one day. Like, get another person to ride out there. Ooh. That's a fast truck. Just kidding. But yeah, we go over there and drive then. When Texas Renaissance Festival's happening, I'll drive over and visit him, and I'll hang out over in his area while that's happening. But anyways, yeah, so if you think your belt is old, change it. I think also at the same time, if you change your variator, and someone back me on this if I'm not, this is an assumption. The variator I have in here is brand new, or maybe less than 800 miles or something like that. No groove in it or anything yet. Maybe when you change your variator out, if you have a groove, that you put a new belt in at the same time. But anyways, I thought I'd throw that at you guys and see if I could get some feedback in the comments. Like, does a belt really make that big of a difference? Because I used to go 45 and I would be at, when I was going 45, I'd already be at somewhere around 95. But now I'm at around 9,000. Maybe a little bit over 9,000. That's a lot. 500 RPM on a Ruckus. You know, that's a whole lot. Anyways, coming through the intersection, oh, never mind, I'm not going through it. I got my backpack strapped down. See, there's an orange strap on there now, and it won't fall off. Checking the camera. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have some feedback that you can give me in the comments below, and then I will talk to everybody in the next video.